Okay, Mr. Fami, are you ready? Right, question number one. These are nice, easy ones. We'll just quickly fill them in. We have angles around a point. So that's 200. That will be what?
160.
160. Because altogether it gives us
360.
360. So this one is 60 and this one will be?
300.
Because angles around a point will give us 300 and?
360.
Okay, now this angle is also around a point. So you have 170 and 130. That gives us what?
60.
300.
300.
This is the remainder of
60.
to make 360. That's 40 and that will have to be
140.
140 because angles at a point is equal to, on a straight line is equal to 180. Angles on a straight line here, here's your point, here's 30 and that's 60, that's 90. What's left over in the middle?
90.
90. 80 add f is 80, 100 is 180. So what's 100 minus 80?
20.
Okay, what's 180 minus 80?
Oh, 100.
100. Then divided by 2?
50.
50? 50. This one we done earlier. The 180 minus 20, because angles on a straight line at a point. So you have 180 minus 20 will give us 160. Then divided by 2 will give us 80 and 80. Now these two are called vertically opposite angles. So K is also equal to 30. Now 30 and I
Would be 60.
are angle. Oh, hang on, say that again.
I 60.
Okay, this is a straight line here. So this is 30 and here's I. What do 30 and I add up to?
60.
What do 30 and I add up to? Angles at a point on a straight line add up to
180.
180. So I is equal to 180 minus 30 will give us
150.
150. Okay, now these two angles I and J are vertically opposite. So J is equal to
150.
150. Okay. Kia, pay attention here. This is 75. These two are
Opposite.
vertically opposite. So this angle will be equal to, also will be equal to,
75.
L is also equal to 75. So this is a straight line here now. There's the point. There's the first angle and second angle. So these two add up to 180. So what's n going to be equal to?
105.
If that's 105, this is opposite it. This will also be
105.
This is 115 up here. So this will be down here will also be
115.
and this is these two add up to 180 and 115 and Q. So all that add up to,
Oh, we couldn't see that one.
will that give you?
I don't know.
65. Okay, this is 85. These two angles are vertically opposite angles. So T is equal to 85. T and S are corresponding angles, making like an F shape. So that's also equal to 85. Now, this is 130. That corresponds with U. So U is equal to 130. And U corresponds with,
Y.
so that is also equal to 130 at the W angle give you 180. So W is equal to 50. 130 add X gives you 180. So X is equal to, okay, now here's the right angle here. Right angle means that this angle here is 90. If that's 90, that means Y and 2Y must also be 90 because they must add up to altogether 180. So 90 add these to 90 gives you 180. So we can say Y add 2Y is equal to
3Y.
3Y. And 3Y must be equal to the remaining So the y is equal to
30.
30. So this one here is 30. And this one's double y, so that one's equal to 60. Quick check, add these three up, and it is 180. Okay, here we have 3z and z. What's 3z at z?
4Z.
4z. And then add a is equal to,
180.
okay, opposite adding 100 is
Minusing 100.
4z equal to this. What's z going to be equal to? 4 times by z is 80. What's z equal to? 20. Well done, yeah. Opposite times by 4 is y by 4. So this angle here, z, is equal to 20. So this angle here is 20 degrees. That's 100, and that'll be 3, that will be 60. That's done. Okay, here we go. What shape do we make here? So we make a Z shape. Here's a Z shape. Parallel lines. So this 70 is equal to that 70. A Z shape. So P is equal to Ali. What is it?
70.
70. Well done, Mr. Ali. P is 70. Sorry, 51. So let's try that again. Now, if P is 70 there, then this has to also be
70.
because it's labeled as P. Okay, 70 and 70 is 140. So the remaining angle has to be 40. Okay, lovely. Halima, can you see the Z in the next question?
Yeah.
So that's 90 here, by the way. So this 35 is equal to that 35. Okay, 35. So that's 35, that's 35. These two add up to 90 because the right angle of that, so that would be, bottom angle would be 15. Fine, yeah, 55. Okay, so, okay, we have 50 over here. This angle is 50. So this angle here will also be
50.
because these are called corresponding angles or F angles, F shape. That's 50. Now, these two angles are at 180, so y will be equal to 130. If that's 50 and 70, that's 120. That will have to be
60.
60. Let's leave that other question for the moment. Is that all that page done now?
Yeah. We've
Okay.
just got a few questions at the bottom, but they're different ones.
To be really hard.
Okay, leave those for a moment. I can't see no question on my page. That's the end of that video, that one. Let's have a look at one.
It's just them, but they're stupid ones.
No, they're not stupid. Why they're stupid?
Because they're too hard.
No, why they're stupid? Obviously. Okay, let's go to the next picture. I think there's a bit missing from the bottom. Why do I have bits missing from my bottom of my image? I'm at the bottom of my page. Okay, right, let's have a look for the next page. Give me a second. Hang on a second, folks. Okay, there's remaining. I want to go through these remaining 4 questions. Questions 19, question 20, 21, and we can't really see 22 properly. We don't know what that is. So we'll do those 3 questions for now. Yusuf's trying to avoid them. So we don't need to do them. Okay, right. Okay, lovely. Let's go for it. Mr. Ali, do you have any ideas how we're gonna do this question? Now, what do we know? Angles around a point add up to. Okay, lovely. So Yusuf, what does it add up to? So you have, that's 90. 90 plus 120 is equal to
210.
210. And m add 2m is equal to.
3M.
So all of this added together gives us what?
360.
360. So we now have to work out the value of. So what do we remove first?
Remove the 3. The M. You move the second action.
Okay, are we just going crazy now? Just shouting at random stuff. What do we move, Ali? You move out there, and then you had to. What do I do? 210. So opposite add 210 is. So that gives us.
150.
What do we move next, Yusuf?
You move the 3.
What's the 3 doing? You said 3.
It's timing it by the
Oh, say time by 3 then.
What is it hot?
So M is equal to
50.
50 degrees. Okay. M is equal to 50 degrees. So if M is equal to 50 degrees, then 2M is equal to 100 degrees. Done. Mr. Fahmy, did you get that? Well, have you copied it down there? No as well. Come on. Remember, we're not here watching movies. We are here doing maths. And if you haven't got it right, copy it down as we're showing you the technique onto your notes. Okay, the next question. Let's have Halima. Halima, we have Z, and we have 5Z, and we have 2Z. And these angles are angles around A, and they must all add up to 360. 5Z and 2Z is 7Z and another Z is equal to 8Z. So 8Z is equal to what?
360.
So opposite time by 8 is? So 360 degrees divided by 8. That's like dividing by 3 times. So if you halve it, and halve it again. So 360 halve it gives you 180. 180 halved again will give you 90. 90 halved again will give you 45. So we can say quite comfortably and competently that Z is equal to 45. And 2Z is equal to
90.
90. And 5Z is equal to 5 lots of 45. 5 lots of 40. Well, 5 lots of 40 is 200. And 5 lots of 5 is 25. So that's 200 add 25. So that gives you
260.
225.
Altogether
225.
And I said
okay, let's quickly check. 225 add 5 is 230. 230 add 40 will give you 270. 270 add 90 will give you 360. Lovely. So we have to like set up a little equation for this question. This is the last one we're doing now. Let's do this. Let's finish this one off. So we have 110. So angles around a point at 180. Add A. Add 2A. Add 2A. So what's A add 2A at 2A?
5A.
5A. And 110, yeah? So what's that all added to?
360.
So opposite add 110 is?
Minus of
So 5A is equal to what? 360 minus 110 is equal to?
250.
250. And opposite time by 5 is?
divide is
So
50.
A is equal to
50.
50. So let's have a look. So if A is equal to 50, that goes here, 50 degrees. So 2A is equal to,
100.
and 2A is equal to 100. And that's the end of that particular video.